Dave Snyder here. It is May the 9th, 2013, and I just want to show you this right here. This is so nice right here. This weather pattern still here today. I've showed it just a few days, like 2 days ago or something like that. I uploaded a picture. I've been here for like 3 days, 3 or 4 days. This pattern right here. Let's check it out. I'm going to turn off the radar. Sometimes that helps. See, let me back it off a little bit. See this right here? This is live weather on the Earth at this very moment, right? Right there. See that? Those are the clouds that are on the Earth, and this is the Mare Oriental Basin flipped over and overlaid over the Earth. Okay, that's what this is here. And I saw this pattern the other day, without the crater. The crater wasn't there. I just saw that pattern there, and I recognized that pattern in the weather right there. So I brought that up. And that's how well it fit. I mean, I wasn't searching or hunting or anything like that for it. I just saw that pattern. I could see that right there. And especially with the radar on the other day, it was really, very visible. And anyways, I brought that up there and lined that up right there, and just check that out. See that? Get that lined up and just go through the rest of the picture. Take a look at where it centers at down there in Mexico. I mean, that's a pretty lines up pretty good here. Like I can see in Nevada and California right here, this little area here. See that right there? No, it's kind of looks the same. And I noticed right here, this area here, it looks very similar. See Yellowstone right there? That'd be Yellowstone right there. Look at that. Watch this. Lines up pretty good, I think. See this right here? I mean, that's everything's in this picture, pretty much. You can't see through this picture. This picture of the moon, you cannot see through it. It's solid, so you can't see nothing behind it. I'm not trying to like show you two images at once or anything like that. This is the moon and this is the Earth. This is the moon. That's the Earth. So and this is the weather. Live weather on the Earth at the moment. And I'm telling you, this shape is all over the Earth. So I mean, I see it all the time. It's a very familiar shape, and I see it in this crater all the time, and it's all over the Earth. I'm telling you, this shape will show itself in the weather I shouldn't say all the time, but it does pretty much all the time show itself. It'll show itself up here, right up here somewhere as well. See this? I think it's right there. See the shape right there, and then see that shape right there? That's another shape. That's another one right there. I can put that picture right there. The thing is, it's kind of getting close up towards the pole. Or it's hiding. It'll mess with the picture, but I'm going to go ahead and do it real quick. Try. I think it was over here. Oh, maybe it was right here. It might be right here. But watch, and you can see it again right here. See this? See this same picture? This image, this weather pattern right here would end up looking like this too. See, they come across like that, and they're hiding something still in that spot. I showed you this 4 days ago, probably 3. I actually made the video 4 days ago, or something like that. There's at least 3. It's been down for longer than that. This strip's been down for longer than that, because there's a very good. See where I got this centered right here? That's just, that's right there. There would be. You can see the weather. There would be extreme weather. I could go to get it from another weather site probably, and then overlay it over the Earth. Which is what I think I'm going to do that after I make this video. So anyways, where was I up here? No, I'm not going to put that there. Just want to show you the India weather. That's this over in the Indian Ocean. Look at this spot right here. What do you think shapes that weather right there? You tell me what you think shapes that weather. I think it's pretty obvious what shapes that weather. Although I think there was land there at the time when it got smacked like that, when it was impacted. But I've got I brought up a Mare Oriental down there earlier and put it there, and this is how the computer put it down. I didn't move the picture, I just let it snap it down right in place, and it seems to fit there really good. It usually does that. It usually will pick the best spot if you're in the right location. I don't know how it does it, but it just does. Part of the program or something. But that's how it fit. It just put itself down right there. I thought it fit pretty good. It might not be the right spot, but it looks pretty good actually, this little spot here. And of course this is what shaped Hurricane Sandy. Believe it or not, if you get the images of Hurricane Sandy, just go get the NASA images of, from the Earth view or whatever they call that, and you get the best, because they're really high resolution. You can download real high resolution images and put Hurricane Sandy in this crater. Reverse this crater, put it over the Earth somewhere, and just put Sandy over the top of this in this crater. It'll fit right in there. It should. Because I've done it and it fits right in there. I'm telling you, this moon's hit the Earth, people. I don't even really want to sit here and try and talk people into it anymore. I'm telling you, what the images show, not just that image either, not just this image, but all kinds of lunar images that I've used. The weather patterns show it. The prints on the Earth show it. I mean, either that or Google Earth is fake. Okay, I'm telling you, either the moon has hit the Earth, because I know I've seen it lined up, I don't know, countless times, people, perfectly. I know that the moon is bigger and hits the Earth. If Google Earth is real, if this shit is real, okay, if this is really what the fucking world looks like, I'm telling you, that's what happens. I can't, I'm telling you, that's what the images show. Okay, whether you want to believe that or think I'm just crazy or not, that's what the images show. No doubt about that. I've put the continents back together with the craters. I've done all of it. I'm telling you. If you just, I know it sucks that the moon hits the Earth, or has hit the Earth, or whatever. What sucks is that it might hit the Earth again. That's the part that sucks. Right? Maybe that's the part that people just don't want to. They don't even want to open up this can of worms. I don't know. That fits there pretty good, though. Got to admit. Turn the borders on. You see if we've got any border action here. Oh yeah, look at the borders fit there too. Look at that whole. Look at the whole thing. Holy shit! Fits the whole Indian Ocean. You didn't realize that. The borders on. You can see. Let's turn the weather off. That's pretty good. You see, it goes like around right here. This area here. It's not bad. It goes all the way up to the edge. Could go there, right? Look at this up here. Yeah, that could go there. Why not? I sure see it. So many different impacts. Man, I could line up impacts all day long. Not just this crater either. South pole of the moon is a serious contributor. Like I said, and the only way it would be is if somebody drew the same person keeps drawing the same pictures to make them fit the Earth. Because I'm telling you, they don't just kind of fit the Earth; they absolutely fit the Earth. But it's got to be made bigger, right? Every time. It's got to be made bigger. Every time. I'm saying, like I said, this one was put down by the program, so I didn't even mess with it. It might need to be a little smaller, but the weather, if you turn the weather on there, shit, that weather fits in there so good. And you know that weather, there's a hole at the bottom of the ocean right there, where that's why that weather's shaped like that. Because it does the same thing over the ocean as it does over the land. It shapes itself to the ocean floor, basically. That's what I think. That's my theory. Because you see how it shapes itself over the land, the weather does, right? Follows the the shapes of the land. We'll go into an area where we know, okay? It follows the shapes of the land. You know what I mean? There's a reason why it comes through there and shapes itself this way. Look right here, like this weather here. Along the mountains, it shapes itself around the mountains, the valleys, the temperatures and things of the Earth. So you can pretty much see a pattern that matches the land when you see it over the land. Like this, fits the land. So when you see it fit the ocean, it's doing the same thing. It's just there's water in between, right? It's shaping itself to the ocean floor. The same way it does on the land, I do believe. Because that's what that shows. And I've seen so much, people. I can't make this video any longer. What am I doing? Alright, have a good day.